If the photos are rubbish, it was my fault, not because it wasn't a good shooting location. It was really good.
In this video, I will be doing some street photography in one of my favourite locations in Athens. It's just a short walk from Athens' main shopping street, but I wouldn't be surprised if you've never heard of it.
Good morning and welcome to Athens, Greece. My destination for street photography today is going to be Omonia Square, which is down that way about 10-15 minutes. Now, what I'll be using is the X-T4 with a 23mm f2 lens.
Street photography can mean different things to different people. It can be photography where architecture is the main focus, or it can mean shooting portraits of people on the street. But for this shoot, my aim is to capture candid moments of the people of Athens going about their day.
The thing about Omonia is that, apart from a few sightseeing buses that go through, it's not really a tourist location. And so you get a slice of the real Athens there. That's what I reckon. A slice of the real Athens. It's 9:30 in the morning and the sun is still reasonably low. And what I'm looking for are nice shafts of light to highlight my subjects. And I think I've found a spot just in front of me.
This is the kind of shot I was imagining. But I think there's an opportunity to get a different angle here. Something perhaps with a bit more drama.
All in shadow over here, and I don't think there's much to be had here at the moment. Let's keep walking around.
I'm in the centre of the square now. Not a lot happening here, but I can still use it to get an establishing shot.
So my approach is to find a spot and then just prop there. And what I find is, if you stay there long enough, you almost become invisible. And you just wait for stuff to happen. But after a while, the shots look similar. So it's best to just pick the ones that are the best from that spot and then find somewhere else.
A convenient shortcut to get across the square is the subway underpass. The light here is amazing. You can shoot in multiple directions because you have direct light and reflected light. This has potential. Just because I like to find a spot and stay there, doesn't mean I put my camera away walking between spots.
This is my light source here. Sunlight is being reflected back into this corner. Sometimes you find a spot where there's good light, but there just aren't many people coming past. Can't help it, the light here is so good that I'm prepared to wait.
Whatever kind of photography that you do that depends on random encounters, you shouldn't have too high expectations. 1 or 2 good photos from this shoot and I'll be happy. Well, that's it. My time is up. I'm off to meet my wife Susan for some lunch. But you know, with street photography, there is no off switch.
It's a very cool building because it produces this dappled golden light on the ground here. But I don't really have much time to exploit it. It looks fantastic. And this is going to be a test of the audio because it's a very busy street. It was a great shoot. Of course, you can never tell until you look at the photos on the big screen, but if the photos are rubbish, it was my fault, not because it wasn't a good shooting location. It was really good. And coming back, found an intersection with the golden building that was throwing this beautiful golden dapple light onto the intersection. It's fantastic. That was a bonus. So all in all, a good morning shoot, and now I'm looking forward to seeing Susan.
Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.